So there are a couple of different things you need to know about Airtable. First, you have different types of presentation of data. Table is only a grid, but you can present a table such as calendar, gallery, Kanban, a timeline, a list of tasks, and even a form. So let's dive in and show you something. Okay, so first, for example, I want to have a basic table about my customers. So you see we have name, notes, assignee, status, attachments, and something I call attachment history. This is a new field, long text agent, which is, if we check it more deeply, we'll make edit on it, we'll see that this is field of AI. It connects to currently this model, GPT-5, and then you have custom instructions in that field. So everything uploaded to the attachment will be searched by this prompt. It's been analyzed context of the file, summary, etc., plain text, and we have explanation about this. And about this field, we have connected the field attachment. Of course, we can say it to any different field. We can have a summary about a name, about notes, about everything else, about a couple of fields. You can merge a couple of fields together. So it's make it much more interesting. This field is crazy. And as you can see, we have a lot of models here. We can use already Claude and Llama and Gemini and whatever you want. So as you can see, probably you understand that Airtable is a creepy machine with AI. So you can basically make everything inside the system. So if that was not enough, then you have a new Omni nicey picey AI, which I really like. He's very smart. He's AI that's built into the Airtable. And you can actually ask him, for example, to create a customer table for me. Let's do that. Including whether he will fill the form, approved newsletter, and what else would I add? In club, for example. These are my main things, and add a button to send offer and buttons to contact. Okay, so I made a query in Omni, which is AI of Airtable, and it will create this table for me. Let's see if it will if it is powerful enough, because I gave it pretty much complex query, but let's see if it's gonna work. So see, he created a table of customers with customer name, email, phone, whatever I need. Of course, I can see it created many fields for me, which is amazing. I really like it. Okay, and if we scroll here, it's in a club, whatever I asked him, sent offer, contact, la la la. So it's basically currently empty. I can also ask him to fill it, like, okay, fill it with 4 items of false data. Okay, for example, I don't have currently the customer names or examples, so I'm asking him to create records and just to show me what it looks like when it's filled. So, ta-da, look at this, really nice. Fill the form, look at the icon. It's really cute, and by the way, you can make it a little wider like this, so it's more readable, etc., etc. So we're just in the start, in the beginning of our marvelous journey. So in the Omni, as you can see, you can actually change and code and change the name of the columns, add data, or actually do whatever you want. If you're lazy, you can do it by voice, but you also can attach some files for him, you know, show him what you really want, store, whatever. You can like build store in 5 seconds. So basically, this is a database of everything. I love it a lot. You can have automations, which is the most funny part, the cool part. It just does the work for you, basically. So it also have interfaces. You can make it really pretty dashboard. You can create your forms. Hebrew currently not really supported very well, but I hope it's going to be in the future. And if it was not enough, you can create an extension and like find really cool extensions right in the marketplace here. So there are extensions by Airtable. There are like a lot of like mirror extension, whatever extension, randomization, whatever. I really like the script, by the way. You can script inside of Airtable directly. If you don't know how to script, open ChatGPT. He will know how to script. Don't worry. See. So we can make a random customer. For example, customer name. I'll make it run. Look at this. What do I do? Cannot be randomized. Why? Oh, we don't have it. We can't randomize single line text. Too sad, too sad. Okay, never mind, guys. Also, I'm going to far places. Anyway, so what I'm telling is that you can really go and do things around Airtable. You have like community. You can write your own scripts, publish them, etc. You can do so much things. It's like Excel, but very accelerated Excel. I'm sure there are plenty of tools in the market, plenty of really cool tools, but this one for me wins many tools. I used it a lot, extensively. This is like my database for my club, I think. I'll make it, or for anything else, or for presentation for a pet store I'm going to work with. So guys, if you need any help, and if you have a store, if you have an offline store that you really need to market and progress and do order with the data, so market, any type of store will be working very well with Airtable. So if you have a store, you don't know what to do, you're stuck, whatever it is, you can just contact me on the regular contact details, and I will try my best to help you out. So have a really good day. Goodbye.